some of the international channels I subscribe to have made videos informing me that the UK is messing with its knife laws again. And apparently, are you ready for this? If a blade is more than 8 inches long and it has more than one hole, I guess they're banning those. And I mean, this is ridiculous, but anyway, as soon as I heard about the ban, I dug into my collection to find something that would be illegal in the UK. I do not live in the UK, so I'm good. I found this. This is a Jungle Master machete. Oh, look at those dangerous, deadly assault holes. I think those holes are committing a hate crime just by being holes. Yeah, that's a good thing there. Yeah, good thing they banned those. I mean, those are ultra deadly. Yeah. I'll include a link to the listing if you can use US Amazon, right? If you want to see exactly how long it is and how much it weighs, you can read the stats there, right? That'll be under the video if you can use the US links. But I've had this thing for like 14 years or something like that. I haven't used it because, well, I didn't buy this. Okay, I'll just say I didn't buy this. Somehow I acquired this many years ago. Came surprisingly sharp, but I mean, can you imagine? This UK weapon ban reminds me of the stupid ass, under Clinton, there was a ban in America where they looked at features like bayonet lugs. I mean, I don't agree with any weapon bans, but weapon bans based on cosmetic superficial features that have no bearing on whether it's more likely to be used in crime, that's just completely ridiculous at that point. That's just completely ridiculous. Oh, those holes, they scared people. Can you imagine the humiliation of the police in the UK? Maybe they became police 20 years ago to, I want to protect my country, I want to protect my community. And now they are reduced to, excuse me, sir? Your machete has more than the regulation number of holes. Yeah, he shows it to his partner. What do you think? What do you think, mate? That looks like more than one hole, right? Yeah, more than one hole. I'm sorry. That's a hate crime. That's a hate crime. You're toxically masculine. We're gonna have to send you to the gulag. All right. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents on stupid weapon bans. If you want more information, I'll include links to the different channels that I learned about this from, and you can look at the ban in depth. They really discuss it. In the comments, light them up, baby. Do me a solid and tell me what hey, if you agree with the ban, yeah, sure, say you agree. One thing, people are so short-sighted. I know there's going to be some people that agree with the ban because it doesn't hurt any of the knives that they have or the machetes they have. Well, if you think they're going to stop with this one ban, you're crazy, okay? If you don't see how they're creeping up on you like that and they're just trying to set a precedent, they start with things that are absurd, like the holes, right? Because they want to get you used to, oh yeah, we're increasing the ban, we're increasing the ban, we're increasing the ban, okay? So even if you don't have anything like that would be affected, I mean, if you think, I'll say it again, if you think the bans are going to stop there, you're not seeing the big picture, all right? Okay, so that's just my 2 cents, weigh in, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you why the holes make this just ultra deadly. All right, gonna do some bottle sacrifice. Okay, so I already warmed up. What's up, Jungle Master? I'm the Jungle Master. Off with their heads, there you go. Yeah, you see those holes make it extra light so I can swing it faster. Ultra deadly assault holes. Alright, a little more fun, what the hell. Off with its head. Cheers to you. For a very cheap machete, this is actually sharper than you would think. All right, one more. There you go.